Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix VAN 9003 Valorant and TPM 2.0 in ASUS. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix that. So the first step.
You want to go ahead and search value. They want to head over to open file location. Then, once you open file location, you want to right-click on your validate. Then, you want to hit back over the open file location. If you want your open file location, you will see Write Client Services. Right-click on that one. Get over to Properties. Then, what you want to do is run it over the Compatibility tab, and you want to scroll a bit down. Then, you want to tick the box Run the program in compatibility mode, and you want to select Windows 8. Then, once you download that, you want to apply the settings. So for the second step, what you want to do is you want to open up your ASUS motherboard BIOS, anyone that you saw your PC, and press F2 to open up the BIOS menu. Then, you want to head over to the BIOS tab. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like or subscribe to the channel for more tips and things just like this.